To reset your Redmi Watch 5 Lite, you will need to first unpair it from the app. So open the MI Fitness app, then select the device. Now you can click right here on the arrow next to your watch and click and hold your finger onto it, and now we can unpair it. Now we can remove the phone and move to the watch itself. So it should restart. Let's pick a language, and the reset is basically done, but just to make sure, you can click and hold the power button and then reset the watch right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.